mamacita. Yeah, my shorty señorita. Yeah, anything she want, I give her. Yeah, yeah, I love my babycita. I love, yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm starting out with stretched hair and I'll be using gel, and this is the Eco Styler gel, got to be gel, some ouchless band, a wooden brush, spray bottle, a tail comb, and a detangling brush. So the first thing I'm doing is sectioning my hair, guys. It's important to section your hair because you want this hair to be super slick. So you want to put your hair in sections so you can work on each section. I know it's a lot of section I'm mentioning, but trust me, section is key in this hairstyle. So I'm just dividing the back because that's the part I'll be working with first. So I'm going to spritz my hair with water and then I'm applying the gel. This style requires a lot of gel, guys. If you don't like gel, this style is not for you. You need a lot of gel to get it very slick. I'm using my wooden brush just to brush it down so that it's super flat. And I'm going to use my ouchless band to pack my hair, and I'm going to repeat the same thing again. Just dividing a section. Guys, my hair is so thick. The struggle. This hairstyle is an arm workout, I'm telling you. So I'm just splitting my hair with warm water again. And I'm applying my Eco Styler gel. Guys, if you haven't eaten, you can't do this hair because your arms are going to be hurting you like crazy. Beauty is pain. Just applying the gel. I'm going to take my detangling brush as I move forward, like get higher and higher, just so it's extra flat. And I'm going to attach this section to the previous section. Moving to the top part, spritzing my hair with water. Just ensuring that my hair is super slick and applying the gel on it. Ensuring that hair is flat. You want to brush it like, super flat. And I'm adding it to the two sections now, making it one at the back, as you can see. Now moving to the front, applying water, gel, using my detangling brush to ensure that it's super flat. For the front section, you want to make sure that this is perfectly done because this is the part that is going to be showing in your hairstyle. I'm just adding the front section to the back as well with my ouchless band. So that hair is slickety slick. Almost done, guys. Trust me, this hairstyle it's a handful. Let's just call it the toning hairstyle because it tones your arms, guys. You have no idea, but it's pretty, so it's worth it. Just applying the gel, like be very hands-on with that gel. You need it to be slick, so you need to put as much gel as possible so that it's very flat and neat. Getting my detangling brush, flatty flat. I'm also using my tail comb so that like it's super laid, like you need it. This is the only part I use the tail comb. I didn't use for the back, just for the front section. And I'm going in with my wooden brush again. And I'm attaching it to the back section with another outless band. Almost done, guys. We're almost there. We did it. Fine gel. And forget about this white stuff, like the white residue. It's all going to absorb into the hair. I put a leave-in conditioner on my hair previously, so that's what is causing that white color as well with the gel. Just taking out that outlet band and then
flexing on the beat.
The other side, so it's in one. Now we made it, guys, and I'm just applying gel. Same thing I've been doing, using my hands to lay it down as well as the brush. Smooth. I'm gonna add everything together. This is the only way you get a flat, slick look, by putting it in sections, guys. Like if you just put gel on your hair as a whole, you're not gonna get this slick finish. I'm just going in with my brush so that everything is nice, tight, and secure. And I'm going in with a stronger outlet band because my hair is full, guys. If not, if I use the same one I've been using, my hair thing will just cut. In this video, I cut like 4 already. I'm just gonna mat the back into one braid so I can tuck it in nicely. I'm twisting the ends. I'm just going to tuck that in like so. I'm going to go in with my Got2b glue. It's a gel, but it's like really strong, just so I can secure the front area and also use it to lay my edges. I don't really do too much with my edges, guys. I don't know how to do all them designs and everything, but you know, I'll be doing something, okay? Like do something real cute, not too much, you know? Just laying my edges. I'm going to take a satin scarf and secure my hair while I go to bed so that it is extra neat and flatty flat flat flat. I don't know, I'm making up this song, guys. So yeah, ooh, this is the next day. Got my face beat, looking like a cutie patootie. Okay, okay. Yep, guys, look at this. Can you see how neat it is? And it's dry, edges on point. So guys, this is the curly ponytail I'll be using, and it has a hook and a stretchy elastic which I'm going to use to secure the hair. It's really easy to use. I think I got this online. Like you can get it from your local beauty supply store, or you can DIY it. You know, it's not a biggie. And I'm just pulling that to tighten the hook, tightening the elastic so that it's tight and secure, and I'm just gonna wrap it around my hair to secure the ponytail as well. You don't want your ponytail to fall, guys. You do not want this to happen, so you want to use that to like tighten it. And yeah, like that's how I'm securing my ponytail. Like this hairstyle is so cute, guys. It's so cute.
Flexing on the beat.
You want to elevate it, you know, wear some hoops, and you're good to go. Guys, look at this. Look at me now. Look at my edges. Guys, aren't you feeling this hairstyle? Look at that. I'm looking cute. Guys, I'm feeling myself, as you can see. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.